Welcome back to the Baby Girls.
If you're new, welcome to the Baby Girls. Okay, well, you'll see what's going to happen in the next clip. Today, we are going to be making
Mug cake.
Mug cake. Okay, so basically, it's pretty self-explanatory from the picture. Right here, just a mug and a cake inside it.
And the brand we're using is Betty Crocker's. You can use any brand, but we recommend this one.
Not like any brand. It's best to just find something that actually says mug cake. But if you just...
you can use any brand of mug cake, but Betty Crocker's is like the best.
I don't even know if there's other brands of mug cake. I'm pretty sure there are. Or you could just get cake mix and then make a cake in your mug. But you just can't follow the exact steps we're doing.
But I think this one would turn out better.
It's more convenient.
And easier to make. It would be...
Okay, so we're going to read the ingredients for you. Okay. Straight from this. Okay. Do not eat raw cake batter. Directions. Empty cake mix into microwave safe 9 to 12 ounce mug.
Add 3 tablespoons of water or milk until well blended.
Microwave uncovered on high as directed below or until surface is mostly dry. If necessary, microwave 10 seconds longer.
Squeeze topping over.
No, it says right here.
Caution, hot. Use mug handle to remove from microwave.
Squeeze topping over cake. Do not microwave pouch. This is the pouch they're talking about. Let stand 2 minutes to complete cooking. And like on the third one,
you can put your microwave on high, but we don't have high, so we're just going to put it in for like 1 minute and 10 seconds.
These are all the things. So if you see any of these numbers on your microwave, then this is the instruction.
But
I don't know if you can really see that. It's not focusing. You can see this one, I'm pretty sure, but I don't know about these. Okay, this one
we'll just put it in for 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Yeah. We'll leave all this down below in the description anyways. I'm sorry, my grandma is here, so if you hear any noises, she's in the kitchen.
I don't know if it's going to focus, but...
Anyways, and then this is the icing. Okay, so we're just going to get started. So we're just going to rip that open. Oh, I'm really scared. You know, I'm going to be back. I'm going to go get scissors.
Okay, so we put the cake mix into the cup.
And now what it calls for is 3 tablespoons of milk or water. And we're going to use water. I found a teaspoon, right?
Okay. Okay, so we just had 3, and then...
So we added 3 teaspoons. Wait, is it
tablespoons?
Yeah, tablespoons of water.
Now we're just gonna mix it
until it gets to this liquidy texture. Until it gets to a cake mixy. So you see all these bumpy things, like not the rainbow bits, but you see that kind of bumpy. We're just gonna try to mix until it's done. Okay,
so we flattened it out.
It doesn't have to look really perfect, but you know, we got a little carried away by eating it.
But it actually does say not to eat it raw, but
don't do what we did, because you'll get salmonella. Anyways, so now the next instruction is microwave uncovered on high, or 1 minute and 10 seconds, or whatever your microwave corresponds to these numbers.
Well, we're gonna do 1 minute and 10 seconds because that's what worked for us last time. So yeah, we'll try that again.
Oh, we even forgot to introduce that. This video is a part of our new bacon series. we're gonna take you to our microwave.
So we're gonna put it in the microwave now for 1 minute and 10 seconds.
They said uncovered, so if you have this like microwave cover thing, don't use that. Okay, so just leave it like that. Ooh, an onion. What? Why is there an onion sandwich there?
1 minute and 10 seconds.
We'll be back. Let's take it out. Ooh, mine like rised up.
Ooh,
Mine like
it's
rised
really
up.
flat actually.
Ooh, but it's
Did
okay.
a pretty good job.
Ow! Ow! Okay,
Really flat.
it says here, let it stand for 2 minutes for it to completely be done. To be done cooking, because it's a little bit soft still and really hot. So we'll be back in 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Whoa! It's been 2 minutes and we just put our icing on. Sorry we didn't show you. Yeah, so I'm just gonna squeeze that all of it out. And then wipe it there. My mouth is watering. We're only gonna take one bite because we need to end the video really soon, right? Okay, now let's take a bite. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay. Really good. Well,
Pretty good.
so we're gonna end the video right here. So leave in the comments if you enjoyed our baking series.
Or if you have any suggestions
We're not
for
on the screen
baking or any other videos.
Ideas and stuff like that. Well, thanks for watching. Bye, and we love you.